The number of whooping cough cases across the state is on the rise, and that includes in southwestern Montana. Now, Gallatin City County Health Department officials say 41 cases have been reported this year and 15 just within the last week. Across the state of Montana, health officials have recorded more than 260 people suffering from pertussis overall, which is about double the number since the same time last year. Clusters have also been reported in various school districts, including at Montana State University. The health department there said Officer Matt Kelly says the number of reported may be climbing due to the fact that awareness is rising, and the best way to stop it is protection through prevention.